Today, I'm going to address the issue of shortcut keys. Why do we need shortcut keys? Shortcut keys help us to work more fast, efficiently, and save time. So that's why I'm addressing the issue of shortcut keys. I'm going to show you 10 shortcut keys. Please watch up to the end and you benefit from these 10 must-know shortcut keys. I thank you all for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button. Let's get started with the first shortcut key. The first shortcut key I'm showing you is CTRL-SHFT-L. So in my data set here, CTRL-SHFT-L, it brings up the filters. If you want to filter your data, you can use CTRL-SHFT-L. To remove them, CTRL-SHFT-L, again, they are removed. So that's a quick way of bringing up the filters in your data set. Shortcut key number 2. I want to highlight an entire column. I use Ctrl space. It highlights the entire column. If you want to highlight the entire row, Shift space for the row and Ctrl space for the column. Number 3, I want to copy across. Assuming I want to copy this figure to these cells, I can come here, Ctrl C, then I highlight the cells, then Ctrl R, like so. Come here, Ctrl C, highlight, Ctrl R. And then if you want to copy them down, use Ctrl C to copy, highlight all the rows that you want, and use Ctrl D. Again, Ctrl C, highlight all the rows you want, then Ctrl D. This is how you can copy down, and how, if you're copying across, it's Ctrl R. Number 5. Number 5 is a flash fill. Well, how does it work? Assuming I type here, James and his email address at gmail.com, and assuming the next is Peter at gmail.com, John at gmail.com, and so on. So all of them are at gmail.com. And I don't want to type this over and over. I can use what we call the flash fill. How does it work? Ctrl E. Ctrl E. Okay? Shortcut number 6. If I want to hide a row, I use Ctrl 9. Ctrl, assuming this is the row I want to hide, let me highlight it. Ctrl 9. It is hidden, 5 here, 6 here. Of course, you can unhide it like so, but Ctrl 9 will hide that row. Then if I want to hide the column, like this one, I use Ctrl 0. Ctrl 0, and it is gone. Ctrl 0 hides the column. Shortcut number 7, I want to bring up the dialog for formatting my data. Ctrl 1. It brings up this dialog. Then you can format in date format, number format, as you wish. But the first way of bringing it up is Ctrl 1. Shortcut number 8, I want to get the sum and I don't want to use the long root. I use Alt equals. Alt equals. Alt equals like so. And if I'm around here in G3 and I use Alt equals, it gets the sum across. And if it is here, it gets the sum in the column. Shortcut number 9, Control A. I want to select all this data. The shortcut is Control A. Okay? That is the shortcut for selecting all the data, Control A. Shortcut number 10, I have my data here. I want to draw a quick chart. I use Alt F1. Alt F1. It draws a chart. So these are the 10 shortcuts I wanted to share with you. That's all I have for you today. Have a great day.